Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Today, we're going to explore the breathtaking country of Nepal, known for its stunning landscapes, rich culture, and warm hospitality. So, let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the breathtaking sightseeing opportunities in Nepal. From the towering Himalayas to the lush green valleys, Nepal is a visual feast. The Pashupatinath Temple, Buddhanath Stupa, and Swayambhunath Stupa are just a few of the many cultural landmarks that you can't miss. Now, let's talk about the weather in Nepal. While the summer months can be quite hot, the winter months are perfect for trekking and exploring the Himalayas. The monsoon season, from June to September, brings rain, but it's still a great time to visit. When it comes to accommodation, Nepal offers a range of options, from budget-friendly hotels to luxurious resorts. The hotels here are known for their warm hospitality and cozy atmosphere. Moving on to the culture, Nepal is a melting pot of different ethnic groups, each with their own unique traditions and customs. The Nepalese people are known for their warm hospitality and their love for music and dance. Lastly, let's talk about the food in Nepal. The country is famous for its delicious cuisine, which is a blend of Indian, Tibetan, and Nepalese flavors. From the traditional dolbot to the mouth-watering momos, Nepal's food is a treat for the taste buds. In conclusion, Nepal is a country that offers something for everyone. From its stunning landscapes to its rich culture, it's a destination that you don't want to miss. So, pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in Nepal. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Nepal. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more travel tips and insights. Until next time, happy travels!